Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I've got Maniology's Morning Mist, MXM054, and Fairytale. I'm starting off with IMK Peeleze as my base coat, and this is Morning Mist. It's out of the latest Maniology box I got, and I'm going to use it as a polish because you can do that. This is so pretty, but what's funny is this is normally the kind of polish I don't care for. Kind of frosty looking metallic frosties, but I really like this one. I wanted to play with it before it got, swamped and put away. But it's very, very pretty. The camera's not doing it justice. Oh, hi Woody, how you doing? And I'm going to top this with I&M's Out the Door. I'm trying to wean myself off of the Pro FX Quick Dry Top Coat because you can't find that stuff hardly anywhere. And if you do, it's stupid expensive. There's a swatch photo of it on its own. And here is Maniology's MXM. And it's got 2 films on it this month. I don't know what was up with that. Making it more difficult for me to get them off with my wet nails. But we're going to get that off and clean it with some acetone real quick. And I do plan on playing with these plates some more because I want to play with the little fairies. But today I'm just straight up stamping. And I'll be stamping with Fairytale, which also came in this box with this plate and another one. I've got my Maniology stamper and scraper out, but I am going to change my scraper. I went to try the first one, and I'm going to use my Beauty scraper. And with this being on the corner, maybe that was the problem, but the image picks up beautifully. I wasn't getting a good scrape with the other thinner scrapers, so I went with the fat scraper. So I'm just going to use some of these like full images on all the nails with the same polish. I'm going to just kind of willy-nilly here and there, Going to get a piece of tape and get that excess off of that stamper. And then roll that one on there. I love that little bee. Now this didn't show up just fantastic over the Morning Mist, but it did show up, and in real life I could see it pretty well, and so I'm not disappointed. And I do like these kind of colors together, this pinky purpley kind of, y'all know I love the pinky purpley bluey looking colors, so just ran with it. And I wanted to use the stuff out of this box, and just the stuff, well, besides the stamper and scraper, but I just wanted to see. That's what I normally do when I'm playing. I'm seeing. But I do like this plate. And like I said, I'm planning on leaving it out so I can play with it some more. I've already got an idea in my head of something I want to try. And so it will stay out for a little while so I can figure out some time to sit down and play with it again. But I didn't want the box to go what do you call that? Hold on, what's the word? Unused. That's the best I can come up with right now. I am cleaning that plate with pure acetone and wiping it with a paper towel in between. Oh, I just noticed I'm going back to my I'm sorry, I do apologize. I am going to hop in here with a piece of tape and get the excess up off of my skin. There wasn't very much with this one. And then I'm going to do my usual cleanup with my cleanup brush and my acetone. There we go. Get up under there too. I'm going to top this one with the smudge-free top coat from Maniology and seal that stamping in without smudging it. And then I'm going to finish it off with some Poshe top coat, and that will take care of this manicure. I am going to call it to the good. So there we go. I loved it. I thought it worked out really well. I mean, it's not over the top. It's not a water marble. So here's my swatch photo. I hope you enjoyed this one. Leave me a comment down below. I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.